In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise Money Transfer Philippines. We'll walk through the exact path inside the app so you know what to tap, what to look for, and a few helpful tips to make the process smooth and accurate. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that your app is up to date so you see the latest features and fees. Once you're in, head to the Home tab. This is your main dashboard and the best place to start a new transfer because it shows your balances and the primary actions available. From Home, tap Send. This is where you set up a transfer. You'll be asked where you're sending the money. Choose the Philippines as your destination. Selecting the correct country ensures the right local options are available, including bank and e-wallet routes commonly used in the Philippines. Next, enter the amount you want to send. You'll typically see the exchange rate, any fees, and an estimate of what the recipient will receive. Take a moment to review these details. Wise usually shows transparent pricing, so this is a good time to confirm you're comfortable with the rate and the total cost before moving on. Now, tap Add Recipient. If you see the prompt to add recipient again, go ahead and tap it. Some versions of the app ask you to confirm this step before showing all recipient options. You'll then be able to choose how you want to identify or set up the recipient. You can use Find on Wise if the person already has a Wise profile that can receive money, which helps avoid typing errors. If you're sending to an e-wallet, select the e-wallet option and be ready with the required wallet details. For traditional bank transfers, choose Bank Details. You'll need the recipient's name exactly as it appears on the account and the correct account number and bank information. If you've been asked to provide documentation, you can upload a screenshot or an invoice to support the transfer. There's also an option to pay by email if the recipient can receive via an email address recognized by Wise. Before you proceed, double check the spelling of the recipient's name and any numbers you've entered. Even a small mistake can delay a transfer. If something doesn't look right, go back and fix it now. It's much easier than correcting it after submission. Once your recipient details are set, you're ready to continue with the transfer flow in the app. Take your time, review each screen, and you'll be sending money to the Philippines confidently and securely.